guys, what's going on? Paul here, and quick live stream to talk about something that came up yesterday in one of the comments, and that was about Bitcoin miners. Are they now going to turn off their mining machines at these prices? So talk about that. I'll give you my opinion then on where I think the price of Bitcoin could be going. Again, anyone's predictions at this time, just take with a pinch of salt, but we'll get to that and see what you guys think. So as always, not a financial advisor, giving you guys my opinion here to just for anyone that's interested in it. So look, let's go. Charts today, it's slightly better than the last few, well, a lot better than the last few days. Still a way off where we were. So green is starting to come back into the market a little bit. We are down around the 183 billion in market cap. So up slightly. We did go down into the 170, which was not good. Good to see a slight increase in that. Looking at the chart, you can see for a long time, look, Bitcoin was getting very comfortable, getting too comfortable. Really, it was pretty much a stable coin here for a long while with nothing happening. Everyone was wanting it to do something, and it done something all right. It just went the wrong way for what people wanted. So the level that I mentioned in the last few videos was this 5,400 level in the last two videos, and we have held above that, which is good. Haven't held much above it. We have dipped slightly under it, but this is the level for me that we need to hold. If not, then we are going below 5, and when we go below 5, I do see us going down close to the 4. So personally, I don't think that we are going to, like we done here, we were just trending sideways for a long time. I don't see us doing that at this particular level. I think at this level here, we either need to get back up above that 6,000 level, or we are going to go right down towards the 4K level. And I do see that happening within the next few days, up to a maximum of a week. It's just the current price. I don't see us settling on that. And that does come slightly back to the miners as well, but I'll jump to that in a second. If you look at down here at the RSI, we are way oversold at the minute, so you would be expecting a pop. And that is what we all want to see. But with so many external factors out there right now, in this Bitcoin Cash fork being one of the major ones, then we cannot really put any, yes, it's going to move because of this or that. And anyone who does that, I would say they're talking a lot of shit as well, because nobody knows for sure. We've got BACT coming in a month, which, yes, we expect that to bring a lot of positivity to the market. And if BACT could get a bit of a movement on the market, I think FOMO would start to come in for some people again, and we would see people jumping back in to start pushing the price up. Now, the cost of mining. This is a video I done a while back, and if you look at the prices, actually, this was back in July, and the price was extremely similar to where we are now. It is slightly higher. It was up around the $5,800 level, which we held at that time, and we did reverse back up. But the chart that I showed in that was this one here. The cost to mine one Bitcoin in all of the different countries. So it varies from country to country. The main reason is due to the electricity price in each country. So as you can see, there are some huge differences here. If you look at, where is it? Venezuela was down at $531, Denmark $14,000. So people, the average price where people were looking at was around that $5,500, the cost to mine one Bitcoin. And yes, if you take the overall average, that is where you are kind of looking at. But the big majority of mining happens in certain countries. Iceland is very popular. You can see it is under the 5,000. So in Iceland, it is still kind of profitable to do it. Now, as far as I remember, this chart only takes electricity into account. It doesn't take the mining equipment. So we're not going to see an influx of new miners coming into the market right now, unless they are in some of the countries that are extremely cheap on electricity or have some alternative power supply. So this is for people who are already in there. And yes, we're going to see some miners turning off their machines. Again, all my opinion, I'm not personally mining myself, but it is not going to be profitable, and it will be a big loss for some people to keep mining at the minute. But the big majority of the big organizations that do this and do this professionally, these guys will still be okay for another while anyway, because they will be positioned in countries where it is a lot cheaper to mine. If you look at China here, China is just over $3,000 to mine one Bitcoin. And the prices that you're seeing here, so as people drop off mining, so if some of the bigger guys drop off and the mining that they're doing for Bitcoin, that is going to lower the level for other people. So it will become more profitable for people who are mining as well. Basically, there's one block mined on average every 10 minutes. So no matter how many miners are actually there trying to mine that one Bitcoin, then it's still going to be on average the 10 minutes. So if a big chunk of miners drops out, there are less people competing for the rewards from mining that block. So people will get rewards more often. The miners who are still mining will get rewards more often than they were when there was a bigger number. So in essence, that brings their average cost of mining down. So when they sell, they can sell for the higher price and their profit is more. That's my opinions on it, and I think we're still safe at these levels. Yes, some of the home miners might turn off, but in general, guys who are doing this on a professional scale will be okay for now, and even some of them may turn off until they wait for the price to go up. But there is still a lot of miners out there mining the network. The network is not in any danger. The hash rate is still very high in the network. It's not in any danger of stopping the network or getting anywhere near them kind of levels yet. So again, quick video. Let me know in the comments your questions. Any questions you guys have on this, let me know. And if I don't know it, I'll do the research to find out. I'm getting back to doing a lot more regular videos now. So as well as that, put your requests in the comments what you want to see from the videos now, because I do see crypto as this is just a dip. I personally see into next year we are going to go up. And again, that's personal opinion. Do not invest on that kind of opinion or anyone's opinion. Do your own research. Give the video a like, guys. Give it a share if you have got some value from it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys on the next video. So thanks for watching. Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys soon.